Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to lock the camera focus on Redmi 13c device. For you who really like the art of photography, and then you can try this way to lock the camera focus on Redmi 13c device. Okay, now please open the camera application. Well, after that you can point it at the photo object, and then to focus the camera on one object, you can lock it like this. Please long press on the object, and after the lock statement appears, it means that the object is successfully locked. And you can adjust the camera exposure by adjusting this section. Well, that's the tutorial on how to lock the camera focus on Redmi 13c device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.